Every parent of every child expects a good education for their child. And when a child has a learning difficulty, providing that good education is even more important and something that every parent will want to make sure happens. The government has set out ways in which all schools are expected to provide help for a child who has a special educational need. And today, around 16% of all pupils in our schools have an identified special educational need. That's around probably about 3 children in every classroom. So why is there so much identification and such demand for special education? Well, in essence, we have an education system that supports children with special educational needs. Our schools are expected to provide for children with special educational needs, and most of them rise to that challenge extremely well. Every school has a SENCO, and these people inspire confidence in parents who are worried about their children's progress. We know that the views of parents are very important, and our system is designed to capture those views and make sure that we listen to them carefully. We also provide programs of support for schools to help them improve their skills at identifying and supporting children. And this is likely to lead to a better identification of need and better meeting of those needs. We also, in our changes to the system a few years ago, we brought health and social care more closely into the education system for children with disabilities and special needs. And that will have made sure that there is a demand for meeting those needs in the education sector. There's also a demand for special education because we now have set requirements for further education and our college system to make sure that they identify and meet needs. Ultimately, though, there is a demand for special education because we have generally very high quality services in England that are doing a great job at improving outcomes for children and young people with special educational needs and aiming to make a difference for them.